This room 6106 is on the west wing. Last year we stayed on the east wing, which was down toward the Windseeker entrance.
I think I like the west wing better.
Yeah, do you? This one is down toward the Magnum entrance, okay, but our room's a little bit different this time. I'll be sure and put the link up above for the actual room tour that we had last year, but we do have some storage over here. We have the pretty good sized refrigerator like we had last year, microwave. Tyler's already put his hats up there, but we've got some towels and ironing board and somebody's random hats. The safe storage area with your luggage and everything. Okay, and let me note that they do have, this one is an adjoining room if you wanted it to be. All right, so let me make our way over here to the bathroom. So we do have a full tub and shower in here. And they have some little rack up there or hangers. Put your towels or bathing suits, wet bathing suits or anything on. They have the vanity here with the hair dryer and towels down there. And some toiletries. All right, bye Tyler. Tyler needs to take a shower. Okay, so we do have the 2 queen beds. That's what we had for this room. And our TV, dresser, and everything, the colors that they have in here, I thought last year they were really cute. It's just like, I don't know, basically you think of it like your little boardwalk hotel, and that's what it reminds me of, your classic. Ooh, we can't show you that yet. But the headboards, I think they come with different pictures on the back. I'm not sure, but I don't remember which ones we had last year. I'd have to look back and see if they were both the Ferris wheel as well on the back of the bed. And again, there's going back toward the other side of the room. And of course, phone and a clock and place to charge your charging ports. Now, here is what our big difference from last year is. We got the lakefront room. So we do have a balcony out here. It's not huge, but you know, it is enough for 2 people to sit, and you might could pull another chair out here. It is screened in, so you don't have to worry about when those pesky little mayflies arrive, which I've heard they've already headed in because it is May. But oh, what a great view. Great view of the beach. You can tell that it's really windy today when we've arrived because they really have some whitecaps going on out there. But beautiful, beautiful view. I am going to love this. This is what I really wanted last year, and we didn't do it. We just got the standard room. We opted out and just went with the standard room. And I was very happy to book this one when I booked back at Christmas of last year. So anyway, that's enough of the room tour, and we'll show you a little later around the hotel. I had to come back and add this because as I was taking some photos around the room, I realized that this is a sleeper chair. It would just be a single sleeper twin pull-out bed. So this room would actually accommodate 5 people without a problem. All right, I'm just gonna show like from the front boardwalk part of the resort. Right down there is the entrance by Magnum. There's the entrance you go in. Basically, you'll be right at the entrance of Magnum when you, for the queue of Magnum when you go through the gate. This is the west wing. This is where we're staying. We're up on the 6th floor. But then we also have a TGI Fridays here. That is one of the restaurants that is on site to eat. This is a pretty huge resort here. It's a pretty good little walk across here. There is the indoor pool. That's the entrance for the indoor pool from out here. We have the sandbar right here on the beach. I don't think it was open yesterday, was it? When we come through here. Hopefully it'll be opening up this weekend, or today. Today's Thursday, as we're doing this.
Open May 26th.
Oh, that's the band's in residence. Opens May 26th. They might have the band here starting tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this part is the main, like, I guess you would call it rotunda area.
The original breakers is right here.
This was what started it all. And then over time, I guess they have built on to the hotel. They have some fire pits going out here because it's a little cool right now. The Starbucks is right in there, like right on that side.
They have a bar on this side.
Yep. Hopefully it's not too windy in the microphone. But I wanted to take the chance to do this part of it while, as you can see, there's really nobody out here. Oh, I did forget to mention there is a pool at the west wing. So,
Pool at each wing.
yep. We've got the east wing over here, which is where we stayed last year. So there is a pool at each building there, on each side. We've got some little kiddie slides in there. There is the hot tub for over here at the east wing. And, of course, there was also a hot tub down at the west wing as well. And the pool for the east wing. Also, right through those doors, right over there, is an ice cream shop. So you can be out here at the pool and head in there and get you some ice cream. And again, where we stayed last year, if you saw our room tour from last year, we were on the back side of this east wing because we were facing where you could see parts of the few rides at the theme park. And that's it. There's a pavilion down here, and this part down here is the Windseeker gate, is what that would be considered. So either side, you're really convenient for heading in the park. I just wanted to show an awesome view from our room this morning. It's our last morning here, but this is definitely a perfect room, perfect morning. I was telling you where we were staying in the west wing. This is our pool down there, and the hot tub. But mainly the view of the sunrise.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Another angle on our balcony.
Because we just did the closing for our boardwalk cruiser tour, our history tour that way. But anyway, I know I didn't do a full walk around.
But we pretty much hit.
But I still pretty much where we did the, where I walked along telling where some of the stuff was along the boardwalk, the inside Hotel Breakers. I wanted to put the clip in here after we found out about the carousel horses and in the lobby area. But I can't suggest enough staying at Hotel Breakers.
Awesome. I mean, I compare it to the Universal bubble feel.
Yeah.
I mean, I think that's why we love Universal so much, and here, I mean, because everything's just so convenient. Like, you just walk out of the park if you forgot something, if you want to come back and change or whatever. It's hot, come back, take a shower, take a nap. 5
minutes and you're back at your room.
Just walk out the Magnum gate or the Windseeker gate and you're at the hotel. I mean, it's the walk. I mean, it's so no matter
convenient.
which gate you use. Like, I mean,
and look, last year, it's like I said at the opening of our hotel. Last year we had the standard room.
Yeah.
Okay. It was okay. I'll be sure and put that link up above from that room tour.
It was the parking lot view. I mean, if they call it theme park view, but with the theme park view, you
get the parking lot view
too.
But I mean, I'm spoiled.
This is the only way we'll stay from now on.
I'm spoiled.
Yeah.
It'll be one of these rooms. And the bad part about it is our nights that we've had here.
Yeah.
Today is, you can tell, going to be a gorgeous day.
Yeah. It's been
from the moment we checked in.
It's
been super windy. They had high winds.
We had to sit on the balcony.
It's been cold, and I was really hoping to be able to enjoy this balcony a little bit.
But we still have. I mean,
it's beautiful.
I mean, look how many videos we've done out here.
True. But like this morning, I could have really stood for sitting out here having my coffee.
Yeah.
But like I said, the hotel itself, you've got everything you want. You got food, you got Perkins, Tomo, the hibachi restaurant Tomo that we love.
Yeah.
They got Starbucks, ice cream parlor, just two pools.
Yeah.
Two whirlpools.
You got a west wing pool over here, and you got an east wing pool over there, and actually a little playground. And like a splash pad.
And I don't know if I can show it from here, but see the water park is just right back over there.
You might be able to see it.
Might be able to see it, but anyway, so convenient. We've loved it. Room was so nice.
Yeah.
And we really hate to leave.
Yeah.
But we'll be back, Hotel Breakers.
We'll be back.
So, hey, if you guys have any...
Might try to stay in that tower.
Huh?
Might try to stay in the tower right there.
Yeah. In the rotunda. The rotunda room.
Oh gosh. I don't know. That would be nostalgic.
There's a lot of history. I didn't realize, for a long time, I didn't realize that this hotel, especially, the main part of it was
right here
so old.
These parts right here is not that old. I think
these aren't.
Yeah.
Yeah, because these have been added on.
Yeah.
And on our...
I think the tower was built in '99. I think it said on.
Oh, okay. Be sure to check out, and I'll put that link down below in the description as well, and a link up above. Check out our boardwalk history tour.
Yeah.
You can reserve on Hotel Breakers on Cedar Point's website. You can reserve a tour, and they will take you on a tour. It tells a lot of history about this hotel.
Yeah.
A lot of history about the whole point out here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, just something simple that this beach wasn't even the original part of.
No, it wasn't.
There wasn't even a beach here. The beach was actually down. So check out that history tour that I've released. Should have released hopefully already, and I'll put it in here. But anyway.
We're gonna go.
Bye-bye, Hotel Breakers.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. And thanks for joining us. Yep. Be sure and follow us on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, and hit that like button.
Yep.
Subscribe.
And
we'll see you on the next one. Bye.